Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. How y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing good. In this episode, we're going to talk about Alkaline, and as you see him on the screen, we're going to talk about Alkaline's lyrical composure and his artistry, how he does it musically and how his music are very much composed lyrically, melodic and harmonized. So let's get it. If for those who know and for those who don't know, let's get right to it. Alkaline, a Jamaican dancehall artist, is known for his distinctive style, edgy persona, and thought-provoking lyricism. He has carved out a niche for himself in the dancehall genre with his ability to merge traditional dancehall elements with modern themes, creating music that resonates with a diverse audience. Let's delve into his artistry and lyrical composure. Artistry is innovative sound. Alkaline often blends hardcore dancehall beats with melodic undertone, showcasing his versatility. His use and auto-tune and layered harmonize adds a unique texture to his tracks, setting him apart from his peer. Dark aesthetic. He cultivated a mysterious and rebellious persona, in his earlier career, which was emphasized by his use of black contact lenses and cryptic lyrics. This approach intrigued fans and created an air of mystique around him. His global appeal, Alkaline's music often transcends the traditional dancehall audience, incorporating elements of hip-hop and pop to attract listeners worldwide. His ability to adapt his sound has solidified his position as one of dancehall's modern trailblazer. His lyrical composure, his storytelling ability. Alkaline is a master storyteller, weaving narratives of love, betrayal, success, and street life into his songs. Tracks like After All and Impact showcase his ability to paint a vivid picture of his experience and his emotions. Wordplay. His lyrics are filled with clever metaphors, puns, and double entendres that requires listeners to dig deeper to understand the full meaning, not just what you see like a facade. You gotta dig deeper in the sound and really understand what the song is saying. Alright. His themes. Alkaline often explores themes such as ambition, and success. Songs like Formula reflects his drive to succeed and remain at the top of his game. Love and relationships. Tracks like Pretty Girl Team highlights his romantic side, often paired with a playful or provocative edge. Social commentary. Alkaline occasionally critiques sociality normals and challenges the status quo, making his music more than just entertainment. Delivery, his flow and vocal cadence adapt to the mood of the song, whether it's high energy anthem or relative ballad. The versatility keeps his audience captivated. Influence and legacy. Alkaline has been compared to dancehall greats like Vybz Kartel, but his unique approach ensures he stands on his own and stand out. His willingness to pull boundaries has inspired a new wave of dancehall artists who sees him as a pioneer of the genre evolving, or you would say evolution. Key tracks to explore. Formula. Formula is a declaration of his success and unique approach to music. After all, a gritty track that captures the realistic of street life. Ocean Wave, a motivational anthem about resilience and perseverance. Cree, a darker, introspective track exploring trust and betrayal. ALKALINE'S artistry and lyrical prose makes him a standout figure in dancehall. His ability to blend sharp social commentary with relatable themes and innovative production, ensuring his relevance and lasting legacy, lasting impact on the genre. If you're exploring his music, take time to dissect his lyrics. You'll likely uncover layers of meaning that enhance your appreciation of his craft. So to say this, ALKALINE, a DJ, a songwriter of his caliber, his lyrical composure and artistry help shapes him to stand out from the rest. Just to say is that when ALKALINE makes music, he doesn't just make it for face value. He doesn't just make it for you to look on the surface and say, oh, it's just regular. He makes his music in a way for listeners to dig deeper, not just to listen one time and say, yes, this is it. To listen to his music is more than just easy on the ears. It's more than just easily digested. It's more like to dissect and study and understand and do research on songs that he puts out. So to say ALKALINE is like the regular artist, it's not something to do. Alright, songs like, let me give you another song. Songs like Top Price. This song highlights ALKALINE's relentless pursuit of excellence. He emphasized hard work, perseverance, and focus on achieving one's goal. Lines like, enough of them lose it already, and them don't know the top prize. Remind fans that staying grounded and committed is key to success. Another song like Champion Boy, a defining track in his career. Champion Boy is a boastful anthem that solidifies ALKALINE's dominance in the dancehall scene with lyrics like, what them a go do fi stop a champion? What them a go do fi stop a champion? He asserts his confidence and addresses critiques, making it clear that his success is unstoppable. ALKALINE's music is more than just catchy hooks and rhythms. It's a reflection of his life experiences, struggles, and victories. Whether he's speaking on loyalty, ambition, or self-belief, his lyrics carry a depth that resonates with fans across the globe. His ability to weave complex emotions into his music is what truly sets him apart from one dancehall's greatest lyricists. So, ALKALINE artistry and his lyrical composure, as it stated earlier, It's more than just listening music. It's more to music. It's more in depth. It's more so far within the music. You gotta look deep within the sounds, deep within the metaphor, deep within some of the words that you gotta research it. So it's not just average music. It's more than just music. Over the years, we've seen how Alkaline has grown from a rancher level of his career to a more mature, readily built, fully in tune and fully composed. So his music over the years, you've seen it, him grow by, as a apprentice or apprentice, and became more so of the master of his own craft. Alkaline is showing us as music listeners, as viewers, as fans, to know that once you've started from a stepping stone, you got to grow gradually. It's a way to say you've got to grow more mature in your life, more understanding, more so growing to be more of a man, not just remaining in a boy aspect or a young man aspect, but to more grow and become a man. So in Alkaline's music, Alkaline is letting y'all know that his music is more of a growing music. His music is not more so mediocre or a music that will just be there to just appeal to a smaller audience or a smaller fan base. Like to say, his music is not music to just appeal to the younger age group, but more so to grow with the older fans also, elderly people. So which is why he has songs where he stated that pre the trend, every thugs rate me, the elder them rate me too. So he's saying that the young ones rate me, the elderly rate me. And you want to know why? It's because his music grows with them and it's appealing to the young and the old. Even though he may be young in the age, but in his mind, he is not young in mind. He's more so he has a grown mind. He has a more mature mind. So that is Alkaline and how Alkaline music, how he does his music. Alkaline does it in a composed way where there are always bits and pieces to his music that you will have to dissect, that you will have to look deep in and think through, because his music is not just for face value. And he's still young, he's fairly still young, and he has more years to go, but you can see that he's on a trajectory going forward in his life, going forward in his musical career, where he's growing, and you can see it from viewing from the regular eyes. You can see while he grows musical, he stays out of the drama. He focuses more on the music aspect. He focuses more on mastering his craft, whether lyrically, whether harmoniously, or mesmerize. He mesmerizes the ears of listeners with his music, because he knows how to master his craft. He knows how to get the key elements to attach to his sound for us as listeners to grab towards it. Well, this episode was just a short summary of me explaining Alkaline's artistry and his lyrical composure. Let me know in the comment section if you like this one, and definitely for sure I will be having more episodes like this. And if you like it, again, just remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Again, man, vibes and insight with Nando. I'm out. Peace.